Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the simplest sources of the problem. Open Settings and tap Control Center to make sure access within apps is enabled and included controls are present. Once done, try the correct gesture for your model, down from the top right on newer iPhones or up on older ones, because incorrect swipes often look like a system issue. If it still fails, restart your phone now to clear transient software hiccups before diving deeper. Next, troubleshoot software conflicts and settings that block the control center. Toggle accessibility features like assistive touch or reachability because they can intercept gestures. Test control center after each change. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS. Go to Software Update and install any pending update because system fixes often resolve UI bugs. If the feature still refuses to appear, reset all settings. This returns system. For final resolution, back up your iPhone and perform a factory reset if prior steps failed. This removes corrupt configs that block UI elements. After the reset, restore from your backup and test Control Center. If it still fails, set up as new to determine whether a backup carried the issue. Make sure to try a third-party app-free test because apps can interfere. If nothing works, seek Apple support. It may be a hardware or deeper system fault requiring service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.